Welcome to CETS Tutorials. The purpose of this video is to show you, the instructor, how to host your class virtually in the event of an instructional disruption. Using the web conference application Zoom, this tutorial will teach you how to host a meeting that only your students can join, set up the microphone on your personal computer, and how to share your PowerPoint presentation, allowing you to lecture over your slides in real time. Before doing anything with Zoom, have your PowerPoint slides open and ready. Open your browser and in the URL field, enter georgetown.zoom.us. Select Sign In and then enter your Georgetown login. If you plan to mute your participant's voice during your session, you should enable that setting now. Do this by selecting Meeting Settings and enable Mute Participants automatically. Go to your profile, find Personal Meeting ID, and select Edit on the right-hand side of the page. Mark the box Use Personal Meeting ID for Instant Meeting and save the changes. Note that this step is very important. If you do not check this box, your students may not join the correct meeting. Share your meeting link and Zoom session start time with your students via Blackboard, email, or Canvas with the URL on your Personal Meeting ID page. When you're ready to start your meeting, put your cursor over Host a Meeting and select With Video Off. If Zoom is not already installed on your computer, then follow the prompts to do so. Otherwise, open the application. The download may take a few moments. When you open the application, you may be prompted to join audio conference by computer. If you are, click on the green button to join. If you do not get the prompt, select the Join Audio icon from the Zoom meeting window. If you see Computer Audio Connected, then your microphone is connected. If your microphone is muted, unmute it. From the Zoom Meeting ID window, select Share Screen, then double-click on PowerPoint. Your students will now be able to join your meeting, hear your voice, and see your slides. When your session is over, hover your cursor over the three dots and select End Meeting. Then select End Meeting for All.